Good day to you, gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. It's good to know you. I hope all is well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe and become a member of the Rich Boy family. For the rest of you brothers, hit that thumbs up for me. Here we go. Today is the last chapter of our emotional intelligence series. I hope you have enjoyed the videos and will be able to benefit from the information. Our discussion today will focus on building strong relationships through emotional intelligence and how active listening plays a significant role. As we've previously discussed, emotional intelligence is the capacity to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions, while also being able to recognize and influence the emotions of others. This skill is built upon 5 core competencies: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Not only does emotional intelligence enhance personal well-being, but it also serves as a fundamental pillar for cultivating strong relationships. Gentlemen, let's focus on the third and fourth element out of the 5 components. Listen. Motivation, the third element, reflects the drive to pursue goals with energy and persistence. Men possessing high emotional intelligence exhibit intrinsic motivation, which translates into a more positive outlook on life and relationship. That type of positive energy is infectious, encouraging cooperation and cultivates stronger bonds among individuals. Empathy is the fourth element, characterized by the ability to step into another person's shoes emotionally. Empathy, not sympathy. Most people aren't looking for us to be sympathetic. They are simply wanting to be heard and acknowledged. People with elevated empathy skills can perceive and appreciate different perspectives, leading to deeper connections. My brothers, active listening is a fundamental, if not the core component in communication skills, hands down. It greatly enhances the quality of relationships, both personally and professionally. This technique goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves fully engaging with what the other person is saying and demonstrating a genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. When we actively listen to people, we have the power to create a more empathetic, understanding, and dynamic environment, which is essential for building trust and respect. One of the key components of active listening is mirroring back what the person has said. This technique allows the listener to paraphrase or summarize the individual's message, which not only confirms understanding, but also shows that you value what is being communicated. The role of empathy plays a crucial role in the process of relationship building, particularly within the context of emotional intelligence. It is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, which is essential for fostering deep and meaningful connections. When we embody empathy, we can create a supportive environment that encourages open communication and collaboration. This sense of understanding not only nurtures relationships, but also enhances emotional intelligence by allowing others to better navigate social interactions. Let's look at an example. Consider a workplace scenario where a team member is struggling with personal issues that affect their performance. An empathetic leader or colleague who actively listens and offers support, not a solution. Because many times, gentlemen, we don't have one. However, it can make a significant difference in the affected person's experience. Research indicates that people possessing elevated levels of emotional intelligence are better equipped to express and manage their own emotions, as well as understand and respond to the emotions of others. In the workplace, emotional intelligence proves to be equally impactful. According to a study by Talent Smart, 70% of the contributors to workplace success attribute their achievements to highly emotionally intelligent people. Employees with strong emotional intelligence are more adept at teamwork, able to recognize and appreciate the diverse emotions of their colleagues. More importantly, organizations that prioritize hiring emotionally intelligent people often see reduced employee turnover rates and improved job satisfaction. Again, emotional intelligence allows you to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions as well as those of others, creating an environment of support. When demonstrated consistently, it helps build trust and mutual respect, which are crucial for any successful relationship. So, my brothers, as you reflect on the insights provided in this video, consider where you can apply these attributes in your own life, brothers. Keep your head up. I'll catch you on the next video. Gentlemen, let's get it. Shalom. Shalom. Here we go. Today is the last chapter of our emotional intelligence series. I hope you have enjoyed the videos and will be able to benefit from the information. Our discussion today will focus on building strong relationships and how active listening plays a significant role. As we've previously discussed, emotional intelligence is the capacity to recognize, understand, and manage your own